po, good day. Bali, ito na po yung inyong order for the Nintendo DS Lite, white variant natin. So, stylus po natin, nasa likod lang po siya. On lang natin yung unit. Now, this order is going to Lipa City, Batangas. So, pakita ko lang din yung charging ng ating DS Lite unit. Now, once you plug your charger just beside this green light, magkakaroon po na orange light. Ayan. So, this indicates that our unit is charging. And then, for our buttons, na-stress test na rin namin yung inyong unit. So, this is just for our video demo na rin para mapakita po namin sa inyo. So, our LR button, ABXY, directional buttons, and our select start. And then, yung ating touchscreen. Alright. Now, for your, meron po kayo mga requested games. Actually, we have placed that on a separate folder para madali po ninyo makita. Open lang po ninyo yung game request folder. So, ito po yung mga requested games niyo that we were able to install. And then, aside from your requested games, kasi for your package, this actually has over 300 to around 400 plus games na naka-install. So, marami na rin po kayong pwedeng pagpilian na ibang games aside from yung requested games ninyo. Open nyo lang po yung ating DS games naman for if you would like to choose other games. So, nandito po yung ating mga Mario games, Kirby, Pokemon, of course, hindi rin mawawala, Naruto, Dragon Ball, and marami pa pong iba. So, open lang natin isa sa mga game request din ninyo. I think yung, I'm not sure if ito yung top 1 sa inyong list. Pero isa po ito sa mga top games na request ninyo. Now, I'll be sending separate photos of the other inclusions dito sa inyong package sa ating chat. Yan. So, okay na po yung ating order. Ipapack na lang po namin ito and then wait na lang namin yung courier for pickup. Pa-wait na lang din po na mag-update yung tracking information sa inyong app. Thank you po and happy gaming!